Hello, welcome to another video on my Dan Computer Training channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn much as usual. We have in our YouTube channel, as you can see, hundreds of videos that can actually wow your mind and help you learn much when it comes to computer. So why not take advantage of this? However, let's go into today's topic. I appreciate all of you for staying with us to learn more from this tutorial. Our attention now will be focusing on freezing cells. So is either rows or columns. We can freeze on specific cells in order for it to continue appearing, or we can use the word, we can lock some specific rule. I'm going to freeze this particular columns, this column A, because I want at any time I'm flipping my document. You see, if I'm flipping my document, I may not be able to know exactly which item was sold with so amount. It's become difficult because the items is no longer displayed when I flipped my screen to the other side, to the right side of my screen. Now I want a situation that this particular columns will remain at all time. See what I would do. I would just go to the column head and highlight. The next thing I would do, coming to the ribbon, I will go to view because I want to decide how to view my document. So coming to view, I click on view. Under the window group is very large from here down to here, are all called window group. You will see froze panel here. So just click on it. What part of the document do you want to freeze? The first one says keep the rows and columns visible. The second one says keep the top rows visible. And the last one says keep what? The first column visible. You can see that this is what we want, the column. Click on it. Now see what happened. As I'm scrolling it to the right, that particular ones that are froze remain. By so doing, make it very easy for me to know which item at any place I am, it remains. So that is how you actually freeze your column. At times too, we may need to also freeze not only the column, but this time the rows. You can see from the screen that we have a spreadsheet that expands beyond our screen. And being able to see and know each of the months is difficult. So we may need to actually freeze the row. Well, I will first and foremost put the month. All right. Yeah, I can't start here because this does not represent month. Here, no. I will start from C because that's where we have the first month. Well, interestingly, in Excel, you do not need to type January, February, all that now. It will to fill it for you. To do this, I will just go to where I want to put the first month and I type Jan. All it will happen is that if I want January, complete January, it will give me autofill of February down to as much as I want. But I just want to abbreviate it. So Jan, I take it across. Automatically, you can see that it's autofill from January to November. Good. So I want to freeze that particular one. I want to freeze this particular row so that as I'm scrolling down, I will be able to identify which month I am actually looking at. In order to do this, I'm going back to that same view under ribbon area. I'm going to that view, and as it was explained in our last method, I will just come to that same window. Under window, I'm seeing froze. This time, because I'm actually dealing with rows, so I will look for the one that I'm going to freeze. So I'm clicking on the row. What I've done is simple. See what happened. As I'm scrolling down, all the months remained. Do you notice that? All the months remain. Now let's see if it was not froze. What could have happened? I'm going to remove the froze to see which of the two will you prefer. See what happened. So how will I know January, February, March? How will I know which month is it? I have to start January, February, March, April. No, that won't be necessary. So it's advisable you freeze the row.
Subscribe, like and share this video and help others too to learn what you have enjoyed.
Or you can visit us at our website at MaidanComputerTrainingChannel.com so that you can benefit much more from our numerous tutorials. Thanks so much. Hope to see you in the next tutorial.